In 2006, we moved to upstate New York near the foot of the beautiful Catskill Mountains just outside of Greenville. Vicki decided that she wanted to own a farm, so we began with chickens and ducks in 2007. In the fall of 2008, we went to our first sheep and wool festival in Rhinebeck, New York. It was there that we fell in love with alpacas. By the following year, we built a huge barn, and that love for alpacas expanded to sheep, llamas, and Angora bunnies. We were officially a poultry and fiber farm. In 2013, late in the fall, we got Allie, our micro mini donkey. A month later, we got Rosie, a mini donkey, and this spring, we have made arrangements to purchase a Cotswold and a baby doll sheep. Our duck and chicken eggs are appreciated by neighbors and summer visitors alike. Along with our maple syrup, maple candies, and wildflower honey, which are all sold in our farm store located right here on the farm. The winters are harsh, cold, and often snowy, but we wouldn't give this lifestyle up for anything. It's beautiful here in the summer, with our animals roaming free around the lake, full of ducks and wild geese raising their young. The deer and wild turkeys make our farm their home too. We shear the animals once a year, and then Vicki processes the fiber herself right here on the farm. She washes, picks, cards, and dyes it, turning it into bats, roving, and roll-logs, and spins some of it into finished yarns. She has woven and knitted items along with some local artisans' work, such as pottery, mosaics, soap, candles, paintings, and photography. I make and sell a complete line of fiber tools consisting of fiber swifts, fiber combs, carding paddles, blending boards, drop spindles, and Mayan spinners. I rebuild and repair spinning wheels, and soon we'll be manufacturing 2 different styles of 18th century heritage spinning wheels right here on the farm. They will be built entirely by hand, will not use nails or screws, and will be sold online or in our farm and fiber store at a fraction of the present market price, allowing beginners and veterans on a limited budget to purchase one. You know, with the world changing as it is, people want to return to a more self-sufficient lifestyle of organic farming or community gardens. Many of these people are starting to learn how to do spinning, weaving, and knitting to make their own clothes too. We display our from the animal to finished product items here in our store, supporting and embracing this movement, and feel it will make American people strong and independent once again. Why don't you stop by and check us out here at the farm, or go to www.cluckinacritterfarm.com and see what we're doing. There's always something happening down here on the farm.